Starting around 15 July 2023, Jasmy coin in every way that really matters is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.18% in most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very critical. Jasmy really has an in every practical sense complete market cap of $200,393,024, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $16,248,078, which truly is very critical. This by and large makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, really positioning at 140 in the cryptographic money market, which for the most part shows that this generally makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, genuinely positioning at 140 in the digital currency market. Or so they in every practical sense thought. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Jasmy coin cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Jasmy coin by and large be really worth in 2023, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Is Jasmy coin a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023? Most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Will Jasmy cost explicitly outperform its record-breaking genuinely high in an unpretentious manner? These are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, showing that these in a real sense are our Jasmy coin cost forecasts for Jasmy's future in a genuinely huge manner. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost by and large is supposed to especially cross a really normal value level of $0.005, the normal extremely least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to generally be $0.005 fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, Jasmy can arrive at and in every way that really matters, most extreme value level of $0.006 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value expectation July 2023. Jasmy coin cost explicitly is supposed to in a real sense reach between $0.004 to $0.005 in July 2023, while the extremely normal cost of Jasmy for the July essentially remains around $0.005. Jasmy coin value expectation August 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin, all things considered, is certainly anticipated to in every practical sense reach at least worth of $0.004 in August 2023, or so they fundamentally thought. The Jasmy cost could generally arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $0.005, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023, which sort of is very critical. Jasmy coin value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin fundamentally is supposed to be at around a sort of least of $0.005 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin cost can truly arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $0.005, with the truly normal cost of $0.005 in United States dollars in a significant way. Jasmy value gauge October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Jasmy coin in a real sense is supposed to sort of arrive at a really least value worth of $0.005, which shows that Jasmy basically has a sort of complete market cap of $200,393,024, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $16,248,078. In an especially significant manner, the Jasmy cost could in a real sense arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.005, with the in every practical sense normal cost around $0.005, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Jasmy value figure November 2023. The Jasmy coin conjecture for November 2023 expects that the Jasmy may for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $0.006, with a genuinely least cost of around $0.005, which by and large is genuinely huge. Discussing the for the most part normal value, Jasmy can stretch around $0.005 for November incredibly. Jasmy value conjecture December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Jasmy coin especially is supposed to sort of arrive at the very least value worth of $0.005 in an unobtrusive manner. The Jasmy cost could especially arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of $0.006, with the very normal cost around $0.005. Incredibly, Jasmy coin passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Jasmy coin's cost generally has shown an especially decent increment of 1.83% in the especially most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Jasmy by and large was in generally excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 3.12%, showing how Jasmy value conjecture October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Jasmy coin truly is supposed to especially arrive at an essentially least value worth of $0.005, which in a real sense shows that Jasmy sort of has an exceptionally complete market cap of $200,393,024, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $16,248,078 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin sort of has shown areas of strength for genuinely of late. And this could be generally excellent chance to dive right in and contribute, which basically is very huge. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy in every way that really matters diminished by 39.956%, taking out an incredible in every way that really matters normal amount of $0.003 from its by and large current worth, or so they basically thought. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a very decent basically purchase a potential open door for extremely fast speculation, showing how Jasmy value gauge November 2023. The Jasmy coin estimate for November 2023 expects that the Jasmy may explicitly arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0.006 with a genuinely least cost of around $0.005 in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change essentially is near 21.43%, and the cost explicitly flowed from a fundamentally least kind of typical cost of $0.005 to sort of most extreme especially normal cost of $0.005 in the truly beyond 90 days, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. In especially most recent 4 months, Jasmy coin basically has shown a developing pattern, which by and large is very huge. In this way, we truly feel that comparable pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period, or so they truly thought. As per unquestionably the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin sort of is expanded from 4 months. Truly further appearance how Jasmy coin especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Jasmy coin's cost has shown an especially decent increment of 1.83% in the kind of most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost, in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin is up by 12.51%, with the sort of greatest typical cost of the coin, for the most part was around $0.003, and the base truly normal cost of for the most part was around 0.